Hey, nail bestie!
I'm showing you how I build a soft fuzzy bow right on the nail. At the start, I'm working with this sticky gel, rolling it into a ball and flattening it so I have a smooth base to shape on. Once it's ready, I place it on the nail and start forming the first loop by bringing one end towards the center. As you can see, I am getting that ready. You move that over, place it towards the center. I repeat the same step on the opposite side to finish the bow shape. Then I add a small ball of gel right in the middle to bring the bow together. Next, I create the tails, rolling more gel, placing each piece, and shaping them until they fall just right. I paint the bow red, same thing as a nail, with a detail brush, a small brush. I go in with the matte top coat from Model Ones and paint it all over. Once the mat is dry, I apply over the bow the red again so the color stays rich under the texture. While the second red layer is still wet, I pour acrylic powder from Young Nails over the entire bowl for the soft, velvety finish. After a full cure, I dust it off, and there it is, a fuzzy matte bow, perfectly paired with the red set that I just did. I hope you enjoyed the little tiny tutorial that I just did, and if you really liked the video, go ahead and give it a like. Also, don't forget to comment and subscribe if you're new here. Hi, my name is Nydia. I am Hey Nail Bestie, and if you love to see little nail tutorials, or if you want to see nail reaction videos, you could go ahead and see the recent reaction videos that I did throughout the months. I am back. It's been a minute, but yes, I'll be showing my face, and also I'll be wearing my scrubs because I usually wear my clothes, but because I am doing nails, I don't want to get my clothes dirty. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, Nail Bestie. Bye.